Start with a slip knot and chain 30 plus 1 chain extra for the turning chain, or else you can start off with any multiple of 6 plus 1 chain extra for the turning chain. Two double crochets into the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one. One more double crochet. This will be counted as 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and this is the third stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and into the next stitch make a single crochet. Skip 2, into the next stitch make 4 double crochets. Skip the next 2 stitches, into the next stitch make a single crochet. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Skip the next 2 stitches, into the next stitch make 4 double crochets. Skip 2, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Skip 2, 4 double crochets into the next stitch. Now continue with the stitches. And into the last stitch make a single crochet. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2, insert hook into the second chain from the hook, that is the first chain which you made, and pull up a loop. Turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. That's the turning chain made, and this will be counted as 1 double crochet. With this method you'll have straight edges. Next on, 1 double crochet is already made. Make 2 more double crochets into the same stitch, that is the first stitch. That's total 3 double crochets. Skip the next 2 stitches. Now make a single crochet in between the second and the third stitch. This is a space you'll be working into, and insert your hook into the whole stitch. Not into the stitch but in between the second and the third stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches. Next you have the single crochet. Into the single crochet make 4 double crochets. Skip the next 2 stitches and 1 single crochet in between the second and the third stitch into the whole stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches. Next you have the single crochet. Make 4 double crochets into this stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. 1 single crochet in between the second and the third stitch. 4 double crochets into the single crochet. One single crochet in between these 2 stitches, second and the third stitch. Make the last set of stitches, 4 double crochets into the single crochet. and make one single crochet into this last stitch. This is the last stitch. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, insert hook into the first chain, that is the second chain from the hook, and pull up a loop, turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch, and pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2. That's the turning chain made, and this will be counted as one double crochet. Now just keep repeating this round until it's square in shape. One double crochet is already made. 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. That's 3 double crochets. 1 single crochet in between the second and the third stitch. Next you have the single crochet, 4 double crochets over here. This is how the pattern will look. If you wish, you can use it as it is, or else you can make the border. Chain 1 and turn your work. Make 3 single crochets into this first stitch. This will make the corner, and 1 single crochet each into this 4 stitches, that is the 4 double crochets. Skip this single crochet. We'll be working only into this 4 double crochets. Skip this stitch. Directly start working into this set of 4 double crochets. 1 single crochet into each stitch. Skip the single crochet. Continue with 1 single crochet into each stitch, skipping the single crochets. And here into this last stitch, make 3 single crochets. This will make the next corner. Now tilt your work and start working on this side. Make 1 single crochet into each stitch. This is the next stitch. This is how it should look. Continue making 1 single crochet into each stitch. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.